Okay, I see that you're live. And nice. Okay, I see that you're live. Oh, do you think you can on OBS, like where the microphone and the headphones are, can you mute that?
All right, should be off now. Do you still hear me on the stream?
Let me see. And nice. All right. Hear me? Yeah, I heard you on the stream. screens. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, go for it.
Who's anonymous?
All right. Okay, so yeah, one anonymous is Clement, and then Clement Mo 2014 is also him.
Yeah, Anonymous is just my shadow clone. You don't have to worry about him. He's only here to like make sure I can look at both of your screens during the competition round. So yeah.
Just so we can show
A
like
dual monitor action.
yeah, exactly. So Patrick on the live stream, you're on the right hand side, and Adriana, you'll be on the left hand side. So people who are who watching the live stream, they can see both of your code at the same time.
Okay.
All right.
Exciting.
So we are about to start. We're going to go ahead and mute and deafen now. Do our whole intro. Once we click ready, then you guys click ready as well. You get like a 10-second timer, and then it will begin. Once the competition's over, please don't leave the coding dojo. We're gonna come back here and then talk about the problem and discuss some simple things. Sounds good?
How do I get it to run in Java?
So once you
Or
click
just
ready,
like Python?
yeah, once you click ready in the bottom, you should be able to change it from Python to Java.
Okay.
All right. All right, so good luck, guys. We're gonna deafen, and once you see us click ready, you guys click ready as well, and you can begin. Oh wait, actually, Adriana, I'm gonna need you to screen share.
Oh, shit, I didn't do that yet? Okay, let me do
No,
that.
no.
Go.
All right, awesome. Okay, cool. All right, so yeah, let's I'll see you guys in a few. Good luck.
Good luck, guys. Oh my god.
1 minute.
Hello?
Or when everyone is ready. Got it.
Clement, can you join me in the Google Meet?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. You can go ahead and switch the scenes, unmute yourself and unmute me, and then do the intro, Clement.
Alrighty. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the first binary search tournament. I am the tech lead here at Google Developer Student Club for the competitive programming community, along with Lazaro, your vice president, and we're excited to bring to you the first round of the binary search competition. Our contestants are Adriana and Patrick, and they will be starting in a moment. So let's get ready to watch them solve some problems.
All right, let's do it. Let's ready up.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's remember to give up the question.
All right, first problem, balanced brackets. Given a string S consisting solely of left and right brackets, return whether the parentheses are balanced. All right. Looks like we've got ourselves a nice little stack problem, huh, Lazaro?
Yeah, coming from Patrick. Looks like he's writing some comments. This is very interesting. So far, it does look like he is taking the right approach with the stack.
Oh, wait, let me give up real quick. All right, now we can see what's going on Patrick's side.
He is putting some comments. I wonder what his intentions with that. Looks like Adriana is also be programming in Java, so we have two Java Knights here.
Ah, yes, two Java Knights, the way it should be. Okay, so let's see, push opens, pop when it hit a close. If the size is 0, we... Alright, hold on, I need to
Okay. Azar is excited about the Java. He does like saying that. We're well aware of that.
Here we go.
It looks like Adriana has started writing her first piece of code. Interesting.
All right, she's going with a while loop here.
Interesting approach. Now, both of these players do have 30 minutes for all three problems. That means 10 minutes each problem. There are medium, all three of them, and they could skip it whenever they want. Let's say this problem is too difficult, they can easily just go to the second question. Hey, Andy is supporting Python with those Python emojis in the chat. That's what I'd like to see. Thank you very much.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
No. Python for the win.
But whatever you say, buddy. All right. I wonder what Adriana's doing with this found variable.
Looks like she's initializing it to false. That is interesting. She also has a count which Adriana and actually he already submitted. Patrick submitted balance brackets and has gotten it right on the first try. So now Patrick's going on to question number 2, while Adriana is still on the first one. Very interesting approaches. Now, we can read over the second question is, we are given a binary tree root. Return the sum of all values in the tree. So for every single node in the tree, sum them all up and then return that answer. He is programming this up pretty quickly. Looks like he knows what he's doing.
Oh, my bad. I had to change mine to the question he was on. I had to change my prompt to the question he's on to see it. Okay, there we go. Yeah. All right. Oh, he's done with tree sum. He just solved it.
That is true. He is now on the third question, where Adrian is still on the first one, which is perfectly okay. These questions are medium, so they could be a little bit tough. But let's just appreciate the fact that she hasn't given up. That is what we like to see. That's what we true competitive programmers like to see.
Yes. It's important to not to keep trying to solve the problem and figure out what's going on. All right, so Patrick has moved on to our last question here. Kth smallest element. Given the unsorted integers num and an integer k, return the kth zero index smallest element in the list. This should be done in O of n time on average. That means that
He is creating. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, I was going to say that means that we cannot use any sorting method.
Exactly. Oh, something interesting I have just noticed is Adriana completely erased over code and is starting from scratch now.
All right, it looks like Patrick's going with a heap here. Yeah, I see that Adriana's gotten rid of all of her code. She's back to a blank canvas. Maybe she needs to like collect her thoughts again.
Now, the question does say for the third one that this should be done in O of n. I'm not sure how Java operates, so I don't know what the dot offer method is, but inserting to a heap is log of n time, and with that for loop, that's gonna bring it to n log n. Let's see if he gets it right. Looks like he's about to submit. took a small little pause. Maybe he just ran it and didn't get correct answer.
Let's see here.
Adriana's still going with the while loop for the first question. Looks like Patrick has taken a small little pause, looking over his code. Maybe something is not working. Might be that time complexity of the heap. What do you think, Clement?
I think that it could possibly be he's trying to see whether whether he's came up with the right implementation for this, or if if it does what it's supposed to.
Mm-hmm. Very well said. I do agree with that as well. Oh, now he's changing things up. Now he has plenty of time. He still has 22 minutes for this last question, while Adriana is going to have to stretch that across all three. Still possible, just a challenge. Now looking here at Patrick's screen, he is screen sharing. That's how we're moderating, make sure that they're not cheating. It does look like his algorithm gave him the wrong answer when he clicked run. So he's going to be optimizing that just a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like I think Adriana's gotten a little bit stuck. She's I think she's trying to think about how she's supposed to go about balancing the brackets. I mean, there's multiple approaches you can take. You know, there isn't a specific way. I mean,
this is a tough problem. He did print some things out. Continue looking at Adriana. She's carrying on with that first problem.
She's setting the K value she has equal to 0 now. I wonder why she's doing that.
Now let's read the first problem. The first problem is you're given a string S consisting solely of open parentheses and closed parentheses. Return whether the parentheses are balanced. So it looks like she's going to be using that K. Not sure what for, because she already has a count, but it looks like she's going somewhere close to the solution. Maybe the K is just a pointer and she's going to be iterating over the string using a while loop instead of just using a for loop, which is doable and could be accepted.
We'll just have to see what she's thinking about using it for. I mean, hopefully she is thinking of something along the lines that you're thinking, okay, now she's getting rid of the count variable.
Starting over from the beginning, okay? She seems to like the while loop. She's okay. Let's see, what do you guys think watching the live stream? Let's see if we get some action in the chat. Looks like Patrick is getting close to the solution.
It looks like he's making a few comments, trying to see what his he's trying to see what his thought, trying to organize his thoughts here.
Looks like Azar is not sure what he thinks about Adriana's solution. And Andy, yes, we're talking about the balanced bracket, the first question that Adriana is currently on. Very interesting approach. Now looking at Patrick's screen, he still is getting the wrong answer for that third question. The third one is the hardest one out of them all. But let's see if any one of them can do it. Adriana could still come back. Just because she's still in the first question does not mean she's out anyway.
Yeah, Patrick could end up being stomped on that question for a while, which would
Exactly.
give Adriana a chance. But they both need to. I mean, they would both need to be done by the end of the round.
Oh, and they were actually finished. Patrick actually finished and got first in the contest.
Well, there you have it, guys. Patrick
That's
has
the first round.
Patrick has
Yeah.
won the first round. So let's give it up for Patrick. Let's go, baby. Nice job.
Congratulations on that.
Adrian.
Let's actually move up to Discord. Let's talk to them and
Yeah.
see what they think about the questions.
All right.
Yo.
Hello, guys. Can you hear us?
Hello, hello.
She's still deafened, but yeah, I can hear you.
All right. Let me message her so she can talk.
Dude, I had that off by one error for 25 years because the kth smallest index was 0 indexed. I was going insane.
You did. That was absolutely beautiful. You guys both worked at it amazing. And like Soap said right now in the Discord, I think they both did great. You guys really did do great. Amazing, amazing job.
Yes, yes.
Minus me not reading instructions.
It's okay.
To be fair, you put a 4 on your application. I believe you're a little bit more of a 6 type of guy.
Okay, you can't
Yeah.
really. So that like right when putting down skill level, it's like, do I put it high and like because I don't want to get matched against someone who doesn't have as much experience as me, but then I also don't want to like be like, oh yeah, I'm fucking great, because I'm not, right? So like, there's no win there.
Humble guy. I appreciate
Okay,
it.
okay.
Hello, Adriana. Thank you for undeafening. Like I said to Patrick when he unmute and undeafen, both of you guys did great. Everyone in chat loved it. You guys were the first ones for this tournament, and we really appreciate it.
We were the very first in the tournament.
Yep,
Yep,
you were the
very
very
first.
first. Yeah.
Damn exciting.
So let me first talk to Adriana. What did you think about the problems? How was that for you?
Well, I mean, like, it was alright. It's just that I'm a little bit slow when it comes to like coming up with solutions and stuff. So that's basically it, really.
Yeah, and there's absolutely no problem with that. I was the exact same way. Typing slower than coming up with the solution slow. But let me just tell you, everyone appreciated your perseverance and how you never gave up. And it looked like you were on the right path for solving that question.
Alright.
How about you, Patrick? Wait, I'm sorry, Clement. You wanted to say something?
Oh,
Sorry
I
about
was
that.
going to say, yeah, don't you did a great job. Don't worry. Like as you like keep practicing, like your intuition for these problems will come faster. So I really encourage you to keep on going. The awesome job.
Thank you.
And now,
Yeah, so now let's move on to Patrick. What did you think about it, Patrick? How was that going for you?
Well, I might have had, well, like, obviously I've solved more of these problems, right, than Adriana, so, like, but I think I had an even bigger advantage just because they were kind of common problems. They didn't really require that much critical thinking. They were just kind of problems I'd already seen before. So in that sense, yeah, like, and that's Adriana why I was able to solve them so fast, because I had actually seen all 3 of these problems before, just by virtue of them being relatively, like, standard problems. So yeah, they were, I mean, the zeros, like the only difference is the kth smallest index was 0 index, which is a little weird. And that tripped me up. That was probably like half the time I spent on the entire thing just trying to figure out that that was actually a 0 index. But yeah, I would have appreciated like maybe problems that are a little bit more like problems that involve a bit more creative problem solving, but also those can cause like a really bad trip up, right? Like you could just stare at a question like that for 45 minutes and never make any progress. So it's a thin line.
don't worry.
Oh, yeah.
As you move up, the problems will be more difficult. So Just be ready.
Oh, I am worried.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, so exactly like Mint says, as you move up, you will see that 30-minute timers will start moving more towards 45 and 1 hour, which will give you an indication of how tough the questions could get.
Oh dear. I thought this was supposed to be an hour for this whole tournament.
Not for the first bracket, but
Oh, okay.
it will. Yeah. So
Gotcha,
yeah,
gotcha.
overall, I do want to thank you guys a lot. It means the world to us at DSC. And this is the first tournament we've ever done, first programming tournament probably in FIU. Not hosted, of course, by the competitive programming club, but just by a individual student club. So it means the world to us that you guys were able to, sign up and compete. Thank you very much. We do appreciate it.
Thank you. Where can I see the other matches, by the way?
Yeah, so our next one is going to be taking place today as well at 7. It's going to be Anthony Pena versus Samara Ruiz.
Are they on Twitch or?
Yeah, it's going to be through YouTube Live. Kind of how I just added everyone for your guys' live stream. I would do the same thing when they go head to head.
Yes, we can place bets right before. I mean, actually, I don't want to say what the odds are right now in the for our predictions, but just
Wait, we're betting money on this? Dude, we don't need to go to Vegas. You don't need to get that internship after all. We got this. Let's do it here.
You can't let
I'll
them...
message Handshake. Tell him you don't need to after all. It's okay.
Yeah.
All right, but yeah, thank you guys, and we're gonna definitely again and end the live stream through the Google Meet. But thank you guys for everything.
All right, bye.
All right, take care, guys.
Take care.
I'll see you in the Google Meet.
All right.